the other side of the gas pipe we have another clip. You do the same, you fix your clip into the gas pipe. And now at the back of our cooker there is a place for letting in the gas, as you can see. Yeah, you fix your gas pipe there. You fix your gas pipe and fix it well. You make sure it's fitted. Then you tighten it using the other clip. You tighten it enough. Remember guys, the clips are used to tighten the gas pipe so that the gas won't leak, so you'll be on the safe side. Our gas is set, so you place it where you want it to be. And guys, remember when we were fixing the regulator to the gas cylinder, we closed the regulator so that the gas won't come out, so we are opening for gas flow. And now our cooker is ready and we can now cook. And guys, before we end our video, kindly remember to subscribe, share and comment. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, and click on the above video to watch my previous video. Bye.